Noah's first Christmas, and he just opened up his first gift with Daddy's help.
Come on, buddy. Come on, here.
Oh my God.
Here, grab it, grab it. Yay! Grab it, grab it.
He loves the paper more than he loves the gift.
Hey, hey, good boy.
What is it, buddy? What is it? What is it? Grab it. Let's go with this one. There you go. Yay!
Yay!
What is it? Ooh, look at this. It's a music station. A sing and learn orchestra.
You could put it on.
Huh?
You could actually put it on.
Is it? Can you strap it on?
Right here.
Oh.